Hey guys, welcome back to Upgrade. In this video, I'll be showing you, be discussing with you Prostagenix review. So you might be wondering, what is Prostagenix here? Well, Prostagenix is a dietary supplement marketed for prostate health, positioned around supporting normal urinary flow and reducing nighttime urination and urgency in adult men. Now, the core ingredient is beta-sitosterol. Now, plant sterol, the brand sourced from French maritime pine trees in France, lands forests, combined with supporting ingredients including like pomegranate extract, grape seed extract, quercetin, green tea extract, zinc, selenium, vitamin D3, and a broader blend of 11 vitamins and minerals. Now, the brand describes a patented multi-step extraction process intended to improve absorption of the active compounds. Now, it's manufactured in an FDA-registered facility according to them. Now, for use here, the label directs taking 2 capsules daily with meals for consistent daily intake. Now, manufacturer materials note that most men notice difference within 30 to 45 days of regular use and continued improvement over longer use. As with any supplements, checking with the doctor first is worth doing, and with any kind of supplement or medication that you may be taking in the future. So, also, particularly for anyone managing an existing prostate condition or taking other medications, even though the ingredients are described as having no known drug interaction, it's still safer to consult your doctor first. Now, on the pricing side here, single bottle, which in this case 90 capsules, to be exact, roughly 30 to 45 day supply, depending on the dosing here, is commonly listed at around, let's just say, $49.95 to $59.95 on the official site, with multi-bottle deals such as buying 2 bottles and getting a third free, or buying 3 bottles here and getting 2 free, and bringing the effective per bottle cost down. Now, it's also sold through other retailers out there like Walmart, Amazon, and generally in the 42 to 60 range for a single bottle. But that's about it. So for this video, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.